Hey everyone, welcome back to Custom Carving, and in this episode we're going to make a new burr stand. After 4 years, finally ran out on the old one. If you've been around for a while, you'll notice this is the first one that we carved probably about 4 years ago, to be honest. But we've now run out of space, so it's time for it to go.
Into art, we can make it right. Power carving, passion, up all night.
Choose whatever wood you've got to make this. It doesn't have to be expensive. It's just to hold bits in and the burrs in so that you can keep them organised and hopefully know where they are. Decided in the end to just go with the simple CLS timber. So first job is just going over to the table saw. This is just a Titan bench table saw that I've got in my workshop. And the first thing we're going to be doing is just cutting off a thinner strip from each side. Ignore the mess, it's something I'm trying to organise at the moment.
To the top, keep the music pumping, feel the groove from morning light to starry night. Watch us improve with my dream.
If you've not got a bandsaw, you could always do this part with a table saw or even a jigsaw if that's all you've got. So here we go, first strip. First one done, now to flip it round and do the same again.
Sharing every step, follow my beat. Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art, we can make it right. Power carving, passion, up all night.
Second piece done. Now for a couple of side pieces just to keep a bit of spacing between. You'll find that if you don't keep some spacing between the two layers, you'll get sawdust in there and the burrs will eventually start sticking in there and it becomes a pain to get them out.
With spirits come alive. Cool projects keeps me feeling so alive. Keep carving, never gonna stop. Woodwork passion always rising to the top. Keep the music pumping.
Now, let's go forward. Time to do it. Just making sure we're all aligned first of all.
Dreams, ends, making them come to life. Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art.
This I'm using the Type 3 because it's mainly going to be kept in the workshop, so therefore if you use something more 3, you might as well. And same again to attach the top part.
Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art, we can make it right. Power carving, passion, up all night. come alive. Cool projects keeps me feeling so alive.
Now to just apply a couple of clamps.
Gonna stop. Woodwork passion always rising to the top. Keep the music pumping. Feel the groove from morning light to starry night. Watch us improve with my dream mallet in hand. Cuts all burrs so tight. We're carving dreams ends, making them come to life. Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art. We can make it right. Power carving, passion up all night. Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art. We can make it right. Power carving, passion.
There we go, clamped up, waiting for the wood glue to dry. At this point I decided I wanted a couple of legs on it as well, just to keep it elevated off the desk. So again, that's straightforward on the bandsaw, just snip a bit off either end of the spare block that we've just created.
So neat, sharing every step, follow my beat. Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art. We can make it right. Power carving, passion up all night.
Now to glue one of those either end.
Carving animals with spirits come alive. Cool.
You can probably see in this video why I'm trying to organise my workshop. There is literally no space in there.
Woodwork passion always rising to the top. Keep the music pumping. Feel the groove from morning light to starry night. Watch us improve with my dream mallet in hand. Cuts all burrs so tight. We're carving dreams ends, making them come to life. Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art. We can make it right. Power carving, passion up all night. Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art. We can make it right. Power carving, passion. Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art.
There we go, and once that's dry, it's time for the fun part, the holes. So for this I've just got a basic ruler measuring out roughly 1 centimetre between each burr hole.
Keep carving, let's carve together. Like and subscribe for more content forever. Turn your dreams into art. We can make it right. Power carving, passion up all night.
Now just going to use a straight edge to put those lines in with pencil.
I'm revving up, no slowing down. With my Dremel and those cuts so burrs around. Carving animals with.
There we go. Now to do it the opposite way around. Again, roughly, I would probably say 1 centimetre squares. Doesn't have to be perfect. As I say, it's just for a burr stand, but you need at least 1 centimetre between them to allow for being able to gain access to the burr that you want.
From morning light to starry night, watch us improve with my dream mallet in hand. Cuts all burrs so tight. We're carving dreams ends, making them come to life.
Now it's just a case of finding a drill bit a little bit bigger than the shank of the burrs that you typically use. I found this one, and literally wherever the lines cross, you're going to drill a hole. So that's, yes, it's a lot of holes, but it needs doing. Once you've done that, it'll probably look something like this. Now you can either burn it at this point if you want that burnt effect, and that'll get rid of all the fuzzies. I chose to just sand off the top. And then once you're done, you should have something like this as the completed product. Now you can do whatever you want with this. You can add more to it. You can design it a little bit more if you want to. But for me, I felt that this fit the needs, and I can quite easily organise all of the burrs that I've got, and it gives me easy access to them. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and if you've learned anything, feel free to like and subscribe and join the channel, because there's going to be a lot more content coming up over the next few weeks. And if you haven't already, check out our music video as well that we did on the channel. But I hope you've enjoyed the video, and enjoy the rest of your week.
No slowing down.